Hi guys, this is Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 5, creative response video for Tennessee Williams' play, A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, 250 words, 60 points. Okay, let's scroll down and survey this assignment. Our title, creative response video, taking control of your learning through art. How are we going to do that? Well, we're going to make a video. And before I go over the links here, let me read the part 1 directions so it's clear what we're doing here. So part 1, create a video that is from 1 to 3 minutes in length in which you perform a close reading of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. What is a close reading? How can you perform one in a video? In a close reading, we make observations about a text or writing, and then we interpret the text. We decide what it means. That's what you will do via the non-traditional medium of a video, not with words on paper or a computer screen. For your video, you will be one of the characters in Williams' play. You can dress up in costume and quote from a key passage in the play, or not dress up in costume, say nothing, and simply be one of Williams' characters in some way, or come up with your own dialogue or even an additional scene in the play. You're in the driver's seat here, the director, actor, and producer, so you decide what to do. Okay, now, if you do not want to film yourself, then direct the camera at an image that you think is symbolic of the play, such as a pearl necklace. That would be Blanche. And do a voiceover. Narrate what it is we're looking at. Be brave. Do not be afraid. Be an artist. Okay, you really can't go wrong with this video, guys. And I just want to show you here that I have examples of creative response videos for Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. And these are all West students right here and here. And they're amazing videos. They let themselves go. They interpreted the play. They performed a close reading of the play in these videos. Okay, let's read part 2. Part 2, respond meaningfully to 2 of your peers' videos in a minimum of 125 words, a half page for a total of 250 words, 1 page. Demonstrate that you paid attention to your peers' video and offer constructive feedback, thoughtful, kind criticism aimed at helping your peers to develop and improve their creative powers. Okay, let's scroll back up and let's click on the timeline here so we're familiar with it. So for our creative response video timeline, you're going to post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, so you have an extra few days. I usually require part 1s by Thursday, but I'm giving you until Saturday. And post part 2, which are the evaluations of your peers' videos, by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow and take us back into the discussion assignment. And I'm going to ask you to read the assignment purpose and the discussion rubric on your own. Both of these are important. The assignment purpose is the reason we're doing this assignment, what use it is to you, and the discussion rubric, of course, is how I evaluate your work. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the top of the screen to our nifty movie camera right here. Let me bring it up again. And I'm going to remind you that I'm here in Inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, email me, and don't hesitate. You're never emailing me too much. I love to hear from you, and I care about your learning. Okay, let's get started.